up, guys? Adam Isaacson, AI Realty Group here with an exciting video. Guys, today we're going to talk about home inspection, super important part of the buying and selling process. Okay, the home inspection, if you remember from our last video on earnest money, the earnest money is protected by various contingencies. Guess what's one of them? The home inspection. That's right, the home inspection contingency, super important. This makes the purchase of the home contingent upon you checking out the home with a professional home inspector, okay? So when you go to make an offer on a home, part of the contract you're gonna write in and you're gonna check off is you want a home inspection, okay? Now, there's a couple different kinds of home inspections and it all depends on whether or not you're competing against other buyers for a home. If you're not competing, you are the only offer, you would check off that you want a home inspection that gives you the right to then negotiate with the seller for various repairs. So you do the home inspection, you find out toilet's leaking, shower head's leaking, there's a hole in the roof, okay? You go back to the seller and say, we want this fixed, and this fixed. Then there's outcomes. The seller then says, I'll fix all of them, I'm gonna fix none of them. He might fix or she might fix a few of them, or they might say, you know what, I don't wanna deal with fixing any of this stuff. I'm just trying to get ready to move out. I will give you a credit towards your closing costs. So this decreases the amount of money you actually need to bring to the table when you buy your home, okay? Now, let's say you're competing, which in the second quarter of 2016, 45% of the homes in the DC market had multiple offers. So chances are you may. If you are, you got to structure it more aggressively. We could do a general inspection, which basically says you will do a home inspection, but it doesn't give you the right to go back to the seller and negotiate for repairs. So you as the buyer would say, you know what, there's a few things that are issues, there's some electrical stuff, some plumbing, not that big a deal, I can fix it when I get in the home, I'll keep moving forward with the deal. There's also, third, is a pre-inspection. This is when there's multiple offers, you really want that house and you want to give yourself the best advantage of getting it, you would do an inspection before you make an offer. So you know exactly what you're getting yourself into, and you might say, you know what, I'm totally cool with this house, I know there's some stuff to do when I finally own it, but I'm gonna make my offer that has zero home inspection contingency because I've already done an inspection before I make my offer. That's a super deal for the sellers because they have zero risk, but it's not bad for the buyers because it gives you a leg up on the competition. So those are three things. Anyways, make sure you got a licensed home inspector. We work with about 2 or 3 that we totally trust. They used to be builders, so super important. Your home inspection report that you get back should have photos in it, super detailed information about how old the HVAC is, how old the roof is. The home inspection, very, very important, obviously. Anyways, there you go. Very exciting topic, guys. AI Realty Group, here to help, DC, Maryland, Virginia. Please let me know if you have any other questions. Happy to help. Talk to you soon.